Hello friend, today we are going to create this advanced slow light system for Unreal employees. So let's jump right in. Start by creating a first person project. I've also linked the flashlight assets in the description. If you don't know how to set up the flashlight materials, here's a quick guide. Start by making a folder to keep that clean, and I'll name my folder resource. Right click in the content browser and create a new material. Name it whatever you'd like. Do this if the material is not matched correctly. Because we have some textures, we're going to make a material using them. Then connect base color to base color, roughness to roughness, and do the same for remaining texture maps. And also rename the flashlight mesh to flashlight. Once that's done, open the content browser, go to the first person folder and double click the first person character blueprint. Now switch to viewport or remove that character, but you don't have to do it. Click add component. Search for static mesh because we are going to have the static mesh of the flashlight in our viewport. Add that and rename it whatever you want. I'll rename it flashlight and make sure to attach that to camera. So basically I want to make connection between our camera and our static mesh, which is flashlight, and I forgot to rename it. Let's go rename it now. On the right tab, select the static mesh, search for flashlight or sense, whatever you name that. Position and rotate the flashlight until it looks clean. Unreal gives you several different light types, but a spotlight is the one that behaves like a real flashlight. You can choose another one, feel free to choose the wrong thing. Now again make that clean and test it several times to see if the position is right or no. Also make sure to attach the spotlight to our static mesh and our static mesh to our camera. All of this is on Components tab. For now just make that clean and put the spotlight into the right place. Also in the details panel, just you can copy me or test it yourself, you will figure it out. Now let's make it actually work. Open the event graph. I want the flashlight to toggle whenever I press the F key. Right click and search for F key. Flashlights only have two states, on and off. So the perfect node for this is flip-flop. Add a flip-flop node just like mine. Next, drag your spotlight into the graph. Pull out a wire and search for set visibility. Duplicate that node for output B, but this time disable new visibility. For output A, enable new visibility so the light turns on. Let's test it. Perfect. The flashlight now turns on and off. Now let's make it feel more realistic. Between the flip-flop outputs and the set visibility node, add a PlaySound 2D node. And between them connect the outputs and inputs, just like me. Unreal already includes some great sound effects, super cinematic, and you can use them. So I'll use one sound for turning the flashlight on and another for turning it off. Connect everything like I have. Then test it one last time. And also head over to your viewport, and for the first time when we start the game, turn off the visibility And that's it. I hope you learned something useful today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Feel free to ask me anything. You don't have to subscribe if this video helped you learn something. That's what matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.